Okay, this is number 6 from your study guide. First, I got 3 different matrix multiplication operations I got to do. The first one is just square by square, 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, and this is relatively easy. Remember, I look at the top, so those top two, the negative 3, 2, and then I multiply it by the left, so left of that line. So I go top left. First thing I like to do is generate the size of whatever matrix I'm going to get out of it. So I get top by left, and then I get that same top multiplied by the right, the 5, 3, right there. So I get top right, and then I get bottom left, same thing, so 4, negative 1 times the negative 2, negative 1, and then bottom right like that. So I get negative 3 times negative 2, which is 6, and then 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2. Then I get negative 3 times 5, which is negative 15. And then 2 times 3, which is plus 6. I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom two. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 1 times negative 1 is plus 1. Then 4 times 5 is 20. Minus 3 like that. So that gives me, when I add everything up together, 4, negative 9, negative 7, 17. Let's just add in those individual pieces. If you want to look at that, pause the video. I'm going to erase all that. Alright, here we go with part B. Different dimensions. I'm going to go top, start down here, top by left, and then I'll go top by right. So that gives me, I'm going to leave myself some extra space, and then I'm going to go bottom by left, and then bottom by right, and that's going to give me the same kind of setup. So I do 2 times 3, I'll circle all of them for this one. I do 2 times 3, which is 6, plus negative 1 times 0, which is 0, and then plus 3 times 1, which is 3. For the next ones, I get 2 times, I guess I'll change colors to purple. 2 times negative 2, negative 4. Then negative 1 times negative 1, plus 1. And then 3 times 2, plus 6. On the bottoms, I get 0 plus 0 minus 2. And then 0 plus, or sorry, minus, this is a minus, I guess I'll erase. Minus 4 minus 4, which gives me a square 2 by 2 matrix, which is 9, 3, negative 2, negative 8. If you want to look at that at all, pause it, because I'm going to erase it. Here we are with part C. I'm multiplying, I think, those same matrices from the previous one, but the other way around. So I guess I'll go pink. So I go top by left, gives me I'll do it down here, top left, then top by right, sorry, top by middle, which gives me a top middle, and then same thing, top by right, which gives me a top right. And then the same thing's going to happen for the middle and then the bottom, in terms of having a a left, middle, and a right. So this gives me a 3 by 3. Now I've got to go through and put all my pieces in. So I'll just do the work for the first column. So I get this times this, which is 6, plus this times this, which is plus 0. Then I get a negative 3 minus 8, and then I get a 9 plus 4. Now I go 0 times 2, which is 0, plus negative 1 times 0, which is also plus 0, so there's nothing there. And then I get 4 and a positive 2. Now I do 1 times 2, which is 2, plus 2 times 0, which is 0. And then the rest of them come out to be minus 1 plus 8, and then 3 minus 4. Which gives me the matrix 6, negative 11, 13, 0, negative 4, 2, and then 2, 7, negative 1. That's that, if that helps.